First impression.
Old saying goes, first impression, your best impression. But like pregnancy tests to get results, it might take a second. Niggas jumping ship and where they landed was never pleasant. And God is in my prayers in 9/11, cause my twin towers were also tilted. Lost a couple niggas, you hate to feel it. So just like a mistake on every record, I gotta kill it. Smoking through the journey, what my niggas say, I'm the illest. I swore on every track, my only mission to be the realest. Hear these niggas fake on every verse, that shit not appealing. Talking about how they robbing niggas and making killings, knowing damn well shit be different if doers live. I remember who they are, like amnesia, they stay forgetting. Some shit just can't be forgiven. But a nigga know he poppin' when niggas get to hating in the comments. Then me and my DMs wanting content. I guess followers boosting their conscience. If clarification was a cake, that was the topping. Please stop trying me, tell them stop it. I've been on the road, highway patrol can't even stop me. Damn, they can't touch me when I'm high, I'm like oil in the pants. And before I was a boy, was taking notes from the man. So I been seen this shit coming before it hit the fan. That's what they don't understand, like what the fault of the plans. Put my heart before the money, I won't do that again, nah. Most don't understand. Been loving hard since a pupil. The world fucked up my perspective of it, to be truthful. But on the journey, I done found that hurt rather useful. Guess I'm just a freak for the pain. Onto Canupo. I'm just trying to stay a buck with it. Bring my whole team to the ring. Both the Bucks did it. But if I take a LA, Clippers watch me cut up again. We run it back, LeVon Bell to the end. Focused on winning seasons, trying to fill up the stands. Every bar looking like captures, hands stuck to the pen. They going over y'all heads like facts in the wind. I guess multitasking was all part of the plan. Got dreams bigger than that I stuff in my pants. Man, I'm just having fun with it. Before I make the billions that I need, then I'm done with it. People are acting different, that's just something I know come with it. And that's why my heart on Don't Disturb got that numb feeling. Yeah, I'ma build and build more. See these niggas, they just build and destroy. Something separating them and your boy. High nigga who just coded the core. If you think I came to play, god damn it, y'all just not ready for it. Or whatever nigga yell to the court. Man, I'm rising like the stars, music started in storage. People telling me they waiting for my shit to hit stores. 73 and 9 made this season historic. Way a nigga come from nothing, think I jumped off the porch. All I know, king of the jungle, put the fire in force. I got Mamba mentality and it's highly enforced. Not a threat, but it's a promise, you'll see more going forward.